Sir, lack of families have applied for ration card, sir. सर मैं पहले भी बोला सर, हैदराबाद में देखो आप, एक गरीब औरत सर 1 साल हो गया, फॉर्म लाई, उसको प्रिंट करवाई, जीरोक्स करवाई, सबमिट करी, 500 रुपये चले गए सर उसके। कितने 1 करोड़ दरखास्तें वैसी पड़ी हुई हैं और कोई उसका कुछ नहीं हुआ। तो आप देखिए कि उल्टा गरीब को कुछ मिलने के बजाय गरीब के जेब से चला गया और उसको कुछ नहीं मिला आज तक। सर, आई ऑल्सो would may recall that the government has also promised that lack of promise that a white ration card or the new ration cards will be issued, sir. Lack of families applied for the fresh card during the Praja Palana program held in December 23 and January 24, and this year too applications were invited for eligible families. However, all these families are waiting for fresh ration card for months and there is still no clarity on the timeline for the issuance of the new ration card, sir.